Hello guys, karibuni sana to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make some lemon mint flavored cake. So with me here I have some sugar, 150 grams of sugar, 150 grams of margarine, yes, my 3 eggs, my lemon and mint flavor, then some food color, Maggi for those who don't have milk, flour na nishaeka baking powder, my cinnamon when you wanapenda kuwa na those spices. Yes, then my tin I've already greased it and put the grease proof paper down. So let's start by mixing our margarine and sugar. Yes, mix hadi the sugar particles ziishe. Ndo mix yetu imekaa. It even turns color. So the next step is to put in your eggs, 1 egg at a time, and then mix. The next egg, then you mix. After putting in your eggs, inakaa hivi. This is how it looks like. On our next step is to put in our flour. Flour ilikuwa 250 grams na baking powder a half tablespoon na cinnamon kiasi. For those who like mini spices you can put in cinnamon, but cinnamon si must. Then after that tunaeka maji yetu pole tu as you mix. Yes, our water was 150 grams. Then you mix hadi kuwe fine. Our dough is almost ready. Yes, so after you mixed your flour, your water, everything else, so the last step is to add your flavor and your color. If you like it green, and then you mix. Our dough is ready. Yes, you put it in the cooking pan, the already prepared cooking pan. As you can see, it's green. It's very sweet. Kwa tamu. Hii recipe mtu wako nyumbani atatumia vizuri sana kwa sababu you don't need a mixer to to mix the ingredients. Unatumia tu mkono. Yes, bora uko na kitu ya kupikia oven. Make sure that imetoshana kwa edges zote. Yes, and then after this we go to the next step. On to our last step is to preheat our oven to around 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, 180 degrees, the upper and the lower heats. Let's wait for it to preheat, then we put in our cake. Our oven is ready. It's very hot. Yes, we put in our lemon mint. Then we set our timer to the first 40 minutes. We put our lower heat to be on, yes, to allow it to proof, and then we'll reset. Yes, our lemon cake has proofed enough, as you can see. So we're just going to do set the last heat for 40 minutes. Yes, it's both the upper and the lower heat. Yes, that's the upper and the lower heat for an 80 degrees for 40 minutes. Yes, let's wait for it to be ready to be eaten. Our lemon mint is almost ready. The bell is about to ring. Iseme imemaliza. Yes, let's wait for it ijizime. Here it is. Yes, tuitoe. Here is our cake. Inanukia. Yes, that's the recipe and the procedure to make a lemon mint cake. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment nicely. Till next time.